City Farm.
Let's play today. Use our ears in a special way. Listen up, search around for different animal sounds.
I hear with my little ear something kind of loud.
Oink, oink, oink.
Hey, it's a piggy snout. He rolls around in a big mud bath.
Oink, oink, oink.
He makes us laugh.
Oink, oink, oink goes the pig. I hear with my little ears something near that tree.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hey, it's Bumblebee. He drinks nectar from a flower now.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
It's such a funny sound. Buzz, buzz, buzz goes the bee. I hear with my little ear something going back and forth.
Swish, swish, swish.
Hey, it's Heidi the horse. She swings her tail from side to side.
Swish, swish, swish. From left to right.
Swish, swish, swish goes the horse. I hear with my little ear
A new sound, what is that?
scratch, scratch, scratch. Hey, it's Go-Go the cat. She's sharpening her kitten claws.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Go a little pause. Scratch, scratch, scratch goes the cat. I hear with my little ear something strange and new.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
It's Letty eating food. She slurps spaghetti from a bowl.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Now we know that slurp, slurp, slurp goes the lamb. We played a game and we learned some sounds today. We listened up, searched around for different animal sounds. So many sounds for you and me here on Lellobee.
Hi, it's me, Ella. Guess what? We've grown some pumpkins here at Lellobee City Farm. Come and take a look.
Hey, it's Halloween, and we know just where to go. Lellobee City Farm, where pumpkins grow. So very many pumpkins for us to choose.
Orange, white, green, and spotty ones too.
At the pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin patch. So many pumpkins, pumpkins, how about that? Which one do you want to take home? Pick a pumpkin to call your own. There's a flat pumpkin, so funny to see.
A wibble wobble pumpkin, it couldn't be.
They might be strange, as pumpkins can be.
But there's a perfect one for you and me.
At the pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin patch. So many pumpkins, pumpkins, how about that? Which one do you want to take home? Pick a pumpkin to call your own. A really big pumpkin?
Yes, yes, yes.
A very small pumpkin.
Yes, yes, yes. Yellow pumpkin.
Sounds good to me. Spotty or stripy?
Yes, yes, please.
Ella can't find a pumpkin. What is she gonna do?
Don't worry, Ella. Your pumpkin will find you.
But then she saw a wonky pumpkin, silly as can be. Yes, 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 that's the pumpkin for me.
The wonky pumpkin, pumpkin on Lellobee. The wonky pumpkin is the pumpkin for me. Wow! Look at how brightly they glow. On Lellobee Farm, where pumpkins grow. On Lellobee Farm, where pumpkins grow.
Hi, it's spring. That means it's berry picking time. We're going to make berry smoothies. Come pick some berries with us.
Berry
Farmer in the dell.
The farmer in the dell.
Hi-ho, the dairy, oh, the farmer in the dell. Berry Let's pick some strawberries. Let's pick some strawberries.
Hi-ho, the dairy, oh, let's pick some strawberries.
The blueberries are next.
The blueberries cloudberries, Ella. All the way from Sweden. Pablo loves cloudberries.
These cloudberries are cool.
These cloudberries are cool.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
These cloudberries are cool.
Papa berry doo-wop. Papa berry doo-wop. Papa berry doo-wop. Papa berry. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, back and hooves. Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, back and hooves. To wash a horse, you know just what to do. Mane, muzzle, back and hooves, back and hooves. Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Even if the ducky waddles off the trail. Snout, trotters, wings and tail, beak and tail. Head, muzzle, wings and hooves, wings and hooves. Snout, trotters, knees and hooves, knees and hooves. It's so much fun, we forgot just what to do. Head, muzzle, wings and hooves, wings and hooves. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
5 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
Look up there now, what is that? A duckling on your hat.
We found one, and that means there are 4 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
4 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
I think I heard a little quack.
They're in the vegetable patch. We found 2, and that means there are 3 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
3 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
What's that I see? A duckling tail?
Over there behind the hay bale. We found 3, and that means there are 2 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
2 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
I found a duck, she's not too far.
She's right on your guitar. We found 4, and that means there's only 1 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
1 little duck plays hide and seek all through the farm. Where can he be?
The flowers are shaking.
Something's stuck.
Oh look, the final duck! We found all 5. Great job, you guys.
We're all together and we feel alright.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek. Lellobee, Lellobee, we play hide and seek.
Caterpillar, caterpillar. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Caterpillar, you're my friend. I love the way you crawl around and then you eat your food, lots of healthy snacks. You're getting much bigger, would you look at that? Oh no, caterpillar, where'd you go? is my little friend. Caterpillar, caterpillar.
Caterpillar went in that cocoon. Don't you worry, you will see him soon. Cocoons are a place caterpillars go when it's time for them to grow. Hey, look at that, caterpillar's cocoon is starting to shake. Will we see him soon?
Caterpillar, caterpillar. Butterfly. Oh my, it's a butterfly. My caterpillar friend grew wings to fly. It's so amazing, I didn't know my caterpillar would someday grow into the prettiest thing in the sky, a butterfly. Caterpillar, butterfly.
Yeah, I love to ride my bike. I can ride whenever I like. Hey, 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 I'm gonna ride my bike today.
Let's take this dusty bike,
Clean it up so it looks real nice. Pump up the tires.
give it a paint.
Add some windmills, that'll be great.
Yeah, I love to ride my bike. I can ride whenever I like. Hey, 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 I'm gonna ride my bike today.
My bike has an awesome bell.
I love to ring it, can't you tell?
My bell will keep me safe and sound.
'Cause when it dings, people turn around. Yeah, I love to ride my bike. I can ride whenever I like. Hey, 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 I'm gonna ride my bike today.
My bike has wheels that spin, spin, spin. When I race, they help me win, win, win.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. They almost lift me off the ground.
How about my handlebars? They help me steer.
How about my pedals? They turn the gears.
Riding a bike is good for the earth.
'Cause it doesn't need fuel to make it burn.
Who needs fuel when you have legs?
Yeah, I love to ride my bike. I can ride whenever I like. Hey, 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 I'm gonna ride my bike today. I ride my bike all over the farm. Ride so fast and ride so far. Hey, 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 I'm gonna ride my bike today. Yeah, on Lellobee Farm, I'm gonna ride my bike today.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everybody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, please, please stay. Ella wants to splash and play. We'll get wet, but that's okay. Rain, rain, come this way.
Rain, rain, pour right down. Make a puddle on the ground. Harper wants to splash around. Rain, rain, pour right down.
Rain, rain, don't be shy. You can bring the plants to life.
We need water every day.
Rain, rain, come this way. man Willie Sheep is coming to the farm. He's gonna make some winter vegetable soup to keep us warm. Yummy!
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
Gather all the veggies, we'll mix them up, and soon we'll have some soup in a nice warm cup.
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
Should we use some cabbage?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's chop, chop, chop.
Yes, yes, yes.
Should we use some carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Throw them in the pot.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, we'll stir them all together, and very soon, ooh, we'll have some vegetable soup.
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
Should we use potatoes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's chop, chop, chop.
Yes, yes, yes.
Should we use tomatoes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Throw them in the pot.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, add some salt and pepper, stir it, and soon, ooh, we'll have some vegetable soup.
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
How about some pumpkin?
Yes, yes, yes.
And broccoli.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, is everybody ready?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's time to eat.
Yes, yes, yes. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
We gathered all the veggies and mixed them up, and now we have some soup in a nice warm cup.
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
Hi, it's me, Ella. Today, Rishi and I are Christmas elves. We're delivering presents around the farm. Merry Christmas!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Here we go through the snow while Heidi pulls the sleigh. Race around with gifts for everyone. Time to share our presents, it will be so much fun.
Wearing silly hats that jingle as we ride.
Speeding right along with presents at our side.
What a perfect sleigh! We built it all ourselves. It's just the perfect size for two excited happy elves. Here we go!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Jingle bells, yes, it's present time.
Everybody gets a gift unwrapped to see what's inside.
A bell that rings, a ball of string.
A watering can for bee.
Silly earmuffs, apple pie.
It's also Christmassy. Round the farm we go. We made our friends all smile.
Through the fresh white snow, laughing all the while.
Giving gifts to friends is jolly as it seems, especially when riding with the perfect sleighing team.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hi, it's me, Rishi. Today it's Holi, the festival of colors. I'm going to show Ella what it's all about.
Everybody gather round, let's bring the colored powder out.
Look how special, look how bright. It's called Gula, yeah, that's right. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Even some magenta too. Holy hey, festival of colors. Holy hey, such a happy day. Holy hey, throw the powder in the air. Vibrant colors everywhere. Holy hey, festival of colors.
Now it's time to make a treat.
Gujia, so nice and sweet.
Put some nuts and fruit inside. Fry the dough, give it a try. They're all dipped in syrup now.
So delicious, wow, wow, wow. Holy hey, festival of colors. Holy hey, such a happy day.
some powder on your friend. Watch how all the colours blend.
Orange, yellow, green, and blue. I love playing Holi with you. Holi hey, Holi hey, festival of colors.
Even all the water has so many different colours. Spray it all around and make a rainbow mess.
Orange, yellow, blue, and green, and all the colors in between.
Celebrate all day long and sing this song.
Holi hey, festival of colors. Holi hey, such a happy day.
Such a happy day.
Holi hey, festival of colors. Holi hey, such a happy day. Holi hey, such a happy day. Yay! Hi, I'm Ella, and I've got a little lamb called Letty. Here she is. And this song's all about the fun we have at the playground. Enjoy! Ella had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Ella had a little lamb who followed her around.
Everywhere that Ella went, Ella went, Ella went. Everywhere that Ella went, Letty could be found. Ella walked with Grandma May. Letty followed the whole way. Look around and you will find Letty close behind. Letty the lamb. Here comes Letty. Letty the lamb. Lovely little Letty the lamb. Ba, 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 ba.
Ella took the Lellobee bus, Lellobee bus, Lellobee bus. Ella took the Lellobee bus and laughed along the way.
Letty took a scooter ride, scooter ride, scooter ride. Letty took a scooter ride to keep up with the pace. Ella rolled with Grandma May.
Letty followed the whole way.
Look around and you will find Letty close behind. Letty the lamb.
Here comes Letty.
Letty the lamb. Lovely little Letty the lamb. Ba, 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 ba.
Ella played in the playground, the playground, the playground. Ella played in the playground and had a lot of fun.
Letty watched as Ella played, Ella played, Ella played. Letty watched as Ella played
And then began to run.
Ella saw her little lamb, shared a hug.
And took her hand.
The two best friends played all day, laughing all the way. Letty the lamb. Here comes Letty. Letty the lamb.
Lovely Letty.
Lovely little Letty the lamb. Ba, 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 ba. Mailman, mailman, won't you please come our way? Mailman, mailman, what's in your bag today? Mailman, mailman,
What did you bring?
mailman, tell me.
Did I get anything?
Ella, Ella,
Yes, mailman.
this is for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A camera, cool.
Mailman, mailman, won't you please come our way? Mailman, mailman,
What's in your bag today?
Rishi, Rishi,
Yes, mailman.
this is for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A bouncy ball. Yay!
mailman, mailman, won't you please come our way? Mailman, mailman, what's in your bag today? Mailman, mailman, what did you bring? Mailman, tell me, did I get anything?
Izzy, Izzy,
Yes, mailman.
this came for you.
Thanks, mailman.
Open it up.
Yes, mailman.
What did you get?
A plush toy, cool.
Mailman, mailman, won't you please come our way? Mailman, mailman, what's in your bag today?
May,
Yes, mailman,
did you get anything?
no mailman.
What is this?
Yes, mailman,
Open it up.
a photo, cool.
Mailman, mailman. You brought us so much today.
Mailman, mailman,
Please come back again, okay? You know where to find us.
oh yes, I know.
On Lellobee City Farms, where good things grow.
Hi, Hi, I'm Ella. Today we're pretending to be frogs, just like our friend Frogolina. Ribbit, ribbit, come splash with us.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 speckled frogs.
Glub, glub.
La 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 la.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 speckled frogs.
Glub, glub.
La 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 la.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 speckled frogs.
Glub, glub.
La 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 la.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 speckled frog.
Glub, glub. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
You can do it. Come on, Ben. Let's go.
He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no speckled frogs.
Glub, glub. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Lellobee City